What's up, y'all? Zaire Haylock here. I just got out to see Chainsaw Man, and Japanese anime is dope. It's my first time seeing a Japanese anime movie in theaters. Hopefully, I might see it again soon. There's a new anime movie called Scarlet, releasing in the US from Sony Pictures Classics. I'm like, man, you know, I wish I could make some anime movies because I know how to speak Japanese. As in konnichiwa, ohayo gozaimasu, and most of all, arigato. Anyway, if you have or haven't seen Chainsaw Man, let me know in the comments below. I enjoyed it, and I loved it. Now I know how to speak Japanese. Funny, ain't it? Anyway, next weekend, it's going to be a big weekend of my life. I am about to go see Predator Badlands in 3D. I just love Predator. You know what they got? Weyland Yutani, but I'm not going to spoil it until it comes out. I'm not going to spoil it. Anyway, again, if you have or haven't seen Chainsaw Man in theaters yet, please let me know in the comments below. This is Zaire Haylock saying, peace, I'm Audi 5000.